In this video, I'll show you how to use Canva for Instagram post. First, log into your Canva account and then you need to select Instagram post as the template from Canva. So click the template section and now search Instagram post. So click here and you will find all of the Instagram posts available here. You can use to create a post from any of this template. First, choose your template, what you want to create to post on your Instagram. So these all are the different types of design for Instagram post, or either you can select any of the templates or you can select to create a blank Instagram post. So let's say we want to create a blank Instagram post. Click here and it will open a Instagram post canvas for you. Now click here and now you can first create Instagram post by your own choice. Let's say I want to add elements. Let's say I want to add or upload an image. So I want to upload this image to post it on Instagram. Now click it and here is my Instagram post. And now you can first design or make any of the adjustment if you want. So let's see how we can make some little adjustment. Click here, auto adjustment, to make the adjustment from AI. And now you can add different text, different style font, different elements. Let's say I want to add a text, lifestyle. And now choose your font from here. There are a lot of fonts available if you are a Canva Pro member. So select any of the available font from here. So let's say I want to add this font for my Instagram post and change the color of the font from here. And let's say I want to make the font color as this color, or so you can select font color from here. Let's say I want to add this font color and I want to add some of the effects. So search here to get effects and there are different effects available for you. You can add effects if you want to add it to your design. So you can add this effect to your design, or there are other available effects as well. Let's say add this effect to your design. So you can add other types of effects as well. And once everything is done, just click here to download your design. So select as PNG and download, click the download here, and your Instagram post will be downloaded. And let's say we don't want to create a design from our own, so we want to get the design from any of the template. So how we can get this? So here you will see different types of Instagram design. So choose any of the design. Here you can choose different types of style. Let's say modern style, minimalist style, college, simple, photo, elegant. Different types of styles are available, or you can go through this to get your Instagram design style. So let's say you want to create an Instagram post from this design or this template. Click here and click customize with template. And now this is your Instagram post. Now change the photo and change the name of your Instagram post. So let's say I want to make it Saif, and now upload your photo from here. Let's say I want to add this photo. So first add the photo to here and then add again the same photo in the background. So now just adjust the username here of your Instagram username, and rename all of the information related to your business or related to your Instagram account. Once everything is done, now it's time to download your design. So click here and just download your design. Select PNG, select download, and the design has been downloaded. Click here. You see, open your post, and this is your Instagram design. So let's say we want to make our design from this. Click here and click customize this template. And now just replace the text from here. So digiWhisper, digiWhisper, add your information, replacing the templates information, digiWhisper. And when everything is done, just click here to download your design. Select design as PNG, and now click here to download your Instagram post. Once everything is done, click here to see your post. So this is your design, and now you can post it to your Instagram, or if you need to adjust anything, you can add elements, you can add text, or you can add different types of color here to make some of the adjustment of your design. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel this video helps you, please subscribe my channel. If you have any question, throw a comment below.